Alright, so I just want to do a little video about this 97 Kawasaki Lakota 300 that I just picked up. I had it out for a few hours, ran great. Then I started hearing like what sounded to be like a ticking noise or a clunking. And as you can see, once I pulled this cover, this nut was loose. You can see how much everything slides. You know, I was having a little bit of clutch slip on the trail, and now I can see why, because this whole unit slides in and out, as you can see. So anybody else who might be having this noise, go ahead and pull your cover and just take a look. It doesn't hurt. You know, just buy a $7 gasket. But I've seen there was a lot of other videos online about you know, maybe adjusting the clutch or something like this has come loose. But either way, you know, I'm kind of glad that this is all it is. Hopefully I go ahead and torque that back to spec, put the cover on, and shouldn't be any more clunking or clutch slip issues. So I'll go ahead and check back with you guys after that when I find out, and you know, hopefully that solves everything. But I just wanted to make a quick video for everybody else who was having issues. I saw there was quite a few people. It's like a known thing on the forums or whatever, but you know, now you guys know.